Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good, hope you had a good week. And welcome to your daily analysis and daily updates on Bitcoin and the markets in general as well. Because, today, this morning, some cryptos actually deviated a little bit from the trend. But most coins are still very correlated, right? So you kind of need to know what's going on with Bitcoin if you want to know what's going on with the markets. Now, the general story right now of Bitcoin is still bearish, I would say, all right? And that's also, and hopefully my sound is out because I'm getting some alerts, and those are very loud. But no, that's the same as yesterday, right? Yesterday in the morning, we also said the most likely direction is still down. We also talked about that after we got that CPI and inflation rate data, and just in general, I think that was the correct assumption. And the main story of the market right now is that we have some intense selling pressure during every US session, right? So what you can see right now is that the Asian session is pretty fine, and we got a bit of recovery. We broke back above. We reclaimed 60,000 here, which is an important level, right? So purely technically, this is quite a good recovery. But the big question is going to be, and that's also reflected in this, if you see that yellow line, that's the Coinbase premium or discount, all right? And that is very associated with the US session because Coinbase is the biggest crypto partner and exchange, of course, in the US. So what we need to see is that this discount that has been continuing for the last couple of days, which basically means that a lot of American institutions or retail or both are selling, and that needs to stop if we actually want to become relatively bullish here. So that's going to be the big question. We see that every Asian session we actually recover a bit, so that's what we're seeing now as well. And purely technically, getting this reclaim here above 60,000 does increase the chance of getting back up to this level right here at 63,000, and hopefully getting into some sort of a consolidation, which I think is the best case scenario for Bitcoin. But we'll have to see, all right? At this point of time, if you look at all the fundamentals, the dollar strength index is falling down a little bit. If this continues to fall down, that would be bullish, and that would significantly, again, increase the chances of Bitcoin able to find some sort of more support here and get back up to 63,000 to form to form a range instead of being bearish, which we still are right now. So that's good, but then the stock markets also relatively strong, Nasdaq relatively strong, Russell 2000 not too great. So the capital markets are pretty neutral. Most of the stock markets have rallied much more than Bitcoin in the last week. So I would say there's still some possibilities in terms of bullish potential for Bitcoin. But that's only possible if we actually eliminate the selling pressure in the US. All right. So for now, what I would expect is stability. So that means that we will be able to stay on top of 60,000, and that will kind of stabilize right here. Like I said, if the dollar strength index actually continues falling like this, then we might also be able to get some sort of a breakout above 61,200. So that is possible. But then what I would expect, what's wisest to expect right now, I think, is to assume that we will again have selling pressure in the US session. All right, so this is a possibility today over the course of today. But later, unfortunately, I do still expect lower lows and continued bearish momentum. All right. Now, I'll be back with another update later today to kind of keep you updated and to kind of see whether we're actually getting that selling pressure again today, which is going to be very important, because if not, then we can be bullish. But like I said, I think it's wisest, especially when making trading decisions today, I think it's wisest to assume we will see that selling pressure. And usually the European session or in the middle of the day here is usually a little bit flat slash boring. So that's what I expect. I'll be back with another update later today. For now, this is what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.